Welcome to the lecture series of algebraic expressions and identities. In today's class, we will be simplifying these 5 problem sums based on algebraic expressions. So let's get started. The first problem says that we have to simplify this algebraic expression where we will be applying the concept of multiplication, addition and subtraction. So if we proceed further, then from the first term here we have multiplication of two algebraic terms. So here 4ab and that will be multiplied by a. So a and a, their powers are 1, so they will be added, it will become 2. So this term will be 4a square b minus, it will be 4ab and then b minus b, so that's why I have written minus b and b, so it will become b square, so it will be 4ab square, then minus 6a square, and here it is b, simply it will be a square b, and then here we have minus b square and here minus 6a square. So minus and minus, when they will be multiplied, it will become plus as per the rule of multiplication. So it will be 6a square then b square. Then the next term will be 3 and 2 6, so it will be 6a square b square and minus. Now here again minus a, so minus minus it will become plus, it will be 3ab square, right? We have a here, we have b square here, then 2 plus 2ab and that is multiplied by plus b, so it will be 2ab square and that will be plus, so 2 plus 2ab square. Then we have minus a, we will be multiplying by minus a, and here it is plus, so there is no constant term, or we can take that as 1, so it will be minus 2, then a and a, it will become a square and then b. Now we have to identify what are the like terms we have in algebraic expression. Now we find here with the first term is a square b, and we have to search for any other a square b if we have in that expression. So here we have another a square b, then we have another a square b here. So we will group or combine them as we do for addition or subtraction of algebraic expression. So here 4a square b, then minus 6a square b, and here it is minus 2a square b. So we have grouped them. Then the next term is that which is different from the previous one is ab square. So ab square, and we have another ab square here, another ab square here, so we will group them. Now we will take this as addition and we will take the coefficient of this term as negative, so it will be minus 4ab square and then here plus 3ab square and here it is plus 2ab square. So we have grouped them. Then we have to search for any other different term is there or not, whether it is there or not. Now we can find easily here that we have a square b square, one term here, another a square b square here, and we don't have any other term to be considered here, so only these two terms that will be considered. So plus here, and then 6a square b square, and this is minus 6a square b square. We could have cancelled in that line itself. So here 4a square b, then minus 6a square b, so 4 minus 6, it is minus 2, and then we have another minus 2, so finally it will be minus 4a square b, that is one term. Here it is 3 plus 2 plus 5ab square, and here it is minus 4, so plus 5 minus 4 means plus 1 and ab square. So the next term will be plus 1, so I am not writing that, only ab square, and 6ab a square b square and minus 6a square b square, as we have seen that those two terms are same and they have opposite signs. So that's why I said that we could have cancelled in that line itself. As we will practice more and we will be more confident, we can do that way, that will save time. So it will become 0, that will not contribute anything. So final answer or simplified answer will be minus 4a square b plus ab square. Now we will simplify the next problem sum, which is related to multiplication, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So here a square b will be multiplied by aq, so it will become a to the power 5 and then b, and then next term minus a, so it will be minus aq and then b, and here it is plus 1, so it will be simply that term only. a square b, then minus ab and a to the power 4, so it will become a to the power 5, then b, then minus minus it will be plus 2, and then a square, and a it will be a cube, and then b, then 2a will be multiplied by minus ab, so it will be 2a and a, so it will be a square, and then b, since it is plus and it is minus, so this sign will be minus only, and then minus plus minus minus, and then a q and b, so it will be a cube b, then minus minus it will be plus a square b, and then minus 1 minus b, so minus minus plus, and 1 and b, when they will be multiplied it will be b only. Then what we did in the previous problem, likewise we will proceed here also. We will find the like terms. So a to the power 5b, and here we have 1 a to the power 5b, and we don't have any more terms, so a plus a to the power 5b, and here it is minus a to the power 5b, so they will cancel each other. Now we have minus a cube b here we have plus 2a cube b, here it is minus a cube b, minus a cube b and minus a cube b, so it will become minus 2a cube b, and here it is plus 2a cube b. So in this line itself we can cancel each other, as we have seen they will become 0 finally. Now we have a square term here, a square b, and here we have another a square b, so a square b plus a square b, it will become 2a square b, and with that we have another a square b term which is minus 2a square b. That means a square b plus a square b, which is plus 2a square b, and then when it will be added with minus 2a square b, again they will cancel each other, and then we are left with only one term which is b. That will be the final answer of this algebraic expression. So this way, without writing any more lines in this line itself, we can simplify if we are confident enough. Then the next problem sum is also related to multiplication of algebraic expressions. So when we will multiply them, it's simple. So what we will do is, first 5 will be multiplied with this whole factor or this term, so 5 multiplied by 3 minus 2x. Then we have here another term which is minus x, and that will be separately multiplied with the same factor here, 3 minus 2x. Then that result of multiplication will be multiplied by this factor 4 minus 3x, that we will proceed further. So here first we will complete this multiplication. It will become 15, then it will be minus 10x, then it will be minus 3x, and then plus 2x square. Then with that we will multiply this factor 4 minus 3x. So from the first factor it is plus 2x square if we arrange in the descending order of the powers of that variable. So plus 2x square we have written first, then plus minus 10x minus 3x, it will be minus 13x, and then it is plus 15, and then that will be multiplied by this factor 4 minus 3x. So what will happen here, again separately we will multiply. So first term is 2x square, then it will be multiplied with this factor, whole factor 4 minus 3x, so that will be written accordingly. Then the second term here is minus 13x, and that will be separately multiplied by this factor 4 minus 3x. Then we have this term here 15, and again it will be multiplied by 4 minus 3x, and that's how we proceed with this type of multiplication of algebraic expressions. Now 2x square and 4, so 4 and 2, when it will be multiplied it will become 8, and then it is 8x square, then minus 3x plus 2x square, so minus 3 and plus 2, when they will be multiplied it will be minus 6x square, and x it will become x cube. Now 4 and 3, it will become 13 4s are 52, so it will be minus 52, then x, then minus 3x minus 13x, 13 3s are 39 minus plus, so it will be 39x square. Then 15 4s are 60, so plus 60, and then here 15 3s are 45, so here it is minus 45x. Now we will combine the like terms. So here we have one x cube term and we have no more x cube. So finally in the final answer there will be one x cube term, and that is minus 6x cube. Then we have x squared term here, 8x square, and here it is minus plus 39x square. We can simplify in this line itself. So 39 plus 8, it will be 47, and both are plus, so it will be 47x square. Now we have minus 52x and here minus 45x, and both are minus, so they will be algebraically added along with their negative sign. So 5 and 2, it will be 7, 4 and 5, it is 9, so it will be 97, and along with their negative sign, so minus 97x. So we have considered this term and this term, then one term is left, and that is plus 60. So this is the final answer of this algebraic expression. Now we will simplify the next problem sum, which is again related to multiplication, and again we can see subtraction as well of algebraic expressions. So we will multiply as per the rule that we have learned and that we have seen in the previous problem. Now if we simplify further, it will be 5x cube, then it will be minus 2x square, then it will be minus 15x square, then it will be plus 6x, from here it will be 10x, then minus 4. So this is one algebraic expression. Then from there we will be subtracting the second algebraic expression. It will be 6x cube, then minus 3x square, then plus 8x square, then minus 4x, then from here it will be minus 10x, from here it will be plus 5. Now what we will do is we will combine the like terms. So 5x cube, and from here it is minus 6x cube. So finally it will be minus x cube. Simply we can simplify in this line itself, it is simple. Then minus 2x square, and then minus 15x square. So from here it becomes minus 17x square, 8x square, and minus 3x square. So it is plus 5x square. So let's write them to avoid any mistake. So minus 15 minus 2, it will become minus 17x square. Then from here minus 3 plus 8, so it will be plus 5x square, plus 5, and here we have one negative sign, so it will become minus 5x square. Now the x terms, here 10, here 6, 10 plus 6, it will be 16x plus 16x, and here minus 4, these are the terms that we have already considered. Now this, and minus 4 and minus 10, it will be minus 14x, minus 14x, and minus, we have one minus here, so it will be plus 14x. Then here we have one term which is minus 4, here we have plus 5, and here we have negative signs, so it is minus 5. Now if we simplify further, then it will be minus x cube, minus 17 minus 5, so it will become minus 22x square, then 14 and 16, it will be 30, so it will be plus 30x, then minus 4 minus 5, it will become minus 9. So this will be the modified or final answer. Now we are left with one more simplification, and for that we will be applying the same concept. So it will be x cube multiplied by x minus 1, then minus 2x square, and here again x minus 1, then plus 3x, and here it is x minus 1, and then minus 4, and then x minus 1. So this is our first algebraic expression. Then from there we are subtracting the second one. It is 2x, then x square minus x plus 1, and then minus 3, and then multiplied by x square minus x plus 1. Now if we simplify further, then it will be x to the power 4, then minus x cube, then minus 2x cube here, and then plus 2x square. Then from here it will be plus 3x square, then it will be minus 3x, then here it will be minus minus 4x, then plus 4. Then from the second expression we will be getting 2x cube, then minus 2x square, then here it will be plus 2x, then it is negative sign, it is minus, then 3x square, so it will be minus 3x square, then here minus 3x, and here we have one minus, so plus 3x, then here it is plus 3 and here it is minus, so it will become minus 3. Now if we simplify further, then we have only 1x4 in the first expression, and then 2x cube minus 2x cube minus x cube, so it will be minus 3x cube. Then we have 2x square plus 3x square, so it will become minus 5x square, then minus 7x it will be, and then plus 4. And from there if we subtract this expression, then it is, first we have to simplify that, it is 2x cube, then minus 2x square minus 3x square, so it will become minus 5x square, then 2x plus 2x plus 3x, so it is plus 5x, then minus 3. So if we simplify further, then x to the power 4, as we have only one x to the power 4 term, then here minus 3x cube, here we have minus 2x cube plus 2x cube, and we are subtracting, here we have one minus sign, so minus 2x cube, so it will be finally become minus 5x cube, then plus 5x square here, and here minus 5x square, and with that minus sign here we have, so plus 5x square, so plus 5 plus 5 it will become plus 10x square, then minus 7x here, and we have plus 5x here, and we have negative sign here, so minus 5x minus 5x minus 7x, it will become minus 12x, and then 4 plus 4, and here it is minus 3, and here we have minus sign, so plus 3 plus 4 and plus 3 it will be plus 7, and this is our final answer. So in this class and in the previous class we have learned that how to multiply and divide algebraic expressions. In the next two classes we will solve a few problem sums based on algebraic identities. Thank you.